Welcome to a fragrant journey of well-being. Essential oils unveiled. In this captivating episode, we embark on an aromatic expedition to explore the remarkable ways in which essential oils can enhance our health and enrich our lives. Step into the world of nature's essence. Learn how essential oils are extracted from plants and how each unique aroma carries its own set of therapeutic properties. We'll uncover the secrets of these potent elixirs and their potential to promote holistic health. Let's dive into the art of application. Discover a range of techniques to experience essential oils, from aromatherapy and topical application to inhalation methods. We'll guide you through each method, ensuring you can harness the power of essential oils effectively. Breathe in the aromatherapy alchemy. Immerse yourself in the world of aromatic bliss as we explore how inhaling essential oils can influence your mood, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. Experience the magic of scents and their direct connection to our emotions. Unlock the massage mastery. Discover how the gentle touch of essential oils on your skin can lead to a luxurious experience of relaxation and rejuvenation. Learn about carrier oils, dilution ratios, and the art of creating your own personalized blends. Elevate your self-care routine with bath time bliss. Immerse yourself in a fragrant oasis of well-being by incorporating essential oils into your bathing ritual. We'll share tips on proper usage and the benefits of infusing your bathwater with nature's aromatic treasures. As we conclude this chapter of essential wellness, remember that these aromatic gems hold the potential to unlock a realm of health and harmony. If the magic of essential oils has captivated you, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more revelations. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of nature's gifts and guide you on a journey toward radiant well-being. Be sure to awaken your senses and stay connected by ringing the notification bell. Next,